Is your PS4 spitting out your discs or acting like they aren't even there? Don't panic and buy a new console just yet. I am going to show you how to get that drive spinning again. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are diving into 10 advanced solutions to fix a PS4 disk drive that refuses to recognize your games. Disk drive issues usually happen because of a dirty laser lens, a stuck manual eject screw, or a system database that has lost its way. Most of the time, it is a physical or software hiccup that you can fix at home. Step 1. Clean the disk properly. It sounds basic, but use a microfiber cloth and wipe from the center of the disk straight out to the edge. Never wipe in circles, as this can create tiny scratches the laser cannot read. Step 2. Perform a hard power cycle. Turn off your PS4 completely and unplug the power cable for at least 2 minutes. This drains the capacitors and resets the optical drive controller. Step 3. Position the console vertically. Sometimes the internal rollers get slightly misaligned. Try standing your PS4 upright or laying it flat to see if the change in gravity helps the disk seat correctly. Step 4. Rebuild your database. Power down the console and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. In safe mode, select the option to rebuild database to fix software communication errors with the drive. Step 5. Update in safe mode. If your disk drive stopped working after an update, go back into safe mode. Select Update System Software and choose to update via internet to ensure the drive firmware is installed correctly. Step 6. The tap method. While the disk is trying to load, gently tap the top of the console directly above where the disk sits. This can sometimes help a stuck laser lens settle into the correct starting position. Step 7. Tighten the manual eject screw. There is a hidden screw designed to eject disks manually. If this screw is loose, the drive might not pull disks in far enough. Check the official Sony guide for your specific model to locate and tighten this screw. Step 8. Use a lens cleaning disc. If you suspect dust is blocking the laser, use a specialized laser cleaning disc with tiny brushes. This is a much safer alternative than opening the console and risking damage. Step 9. Check for stuck rollers. Use a flashlight to look into the disk slot. If you see hair or dust bunnies, carefully use a can of compressed air to blow out the debris. Do not stick any tools inside the slot. Step 10. Initialize the system. This is the last resort. Back up your saves and perform a full initialization in settings. This wipes the software clean and rules out any deep system glitches. Here is a bonus pro tip. If your PS4 makes a clicking sound when you insert a disc, try inserting the disc and then immediately and gently lifting the front of the console by about 2 inches. This tilt often helps the gears engage if they are starting to wear out. If you face any difficulty or your drive is still making strange noises, please comment below. I am staying active in the comments and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If this video helped you get back into the game, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your console is back in action, and I will see you in the next one.